please keep learning tables. If you have learned, then please keep revising it. Okay, it should be on your tips. Clear? Okay, so now we are going to discuss the next exercise, that is exercise 6C, given on page number 107. Okay, so look at your book. Now, before beginning with the exercise, let me give you some example. Okay, so if I give you a question that there are 5 trees. How many trees? 5 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, there are 5 trees and there are 2 mangoes, sorry, 2 apples in each tree. Okay, there are 5 trees having 2 apples each. Yes, so now we have to write the multiplication fact with the help of this diagram. So how we will write? For writing factors, we should know that what does the first factor tell us and what does the second factor mean. Yes, so let's recall that what we have learned about first and the second factor. Okay, so as you know, the first factor tells us how many equal groups are there. Yes, so you know that how many equal groups are there. Can you tell me with the help of this diagram? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 equal groups. Yes, there are 5 equal what will be our second factor? 5. Yes. So we will write 5 as a second factor. And now we have to find out the total number of pens in all. Yes. Now we have to find out the pens in all pen holders. Yes. So how we will find? We will start reading the table of 7. Yes. So 7 ones are 7. How many times we will read the table of 7? 5 times. Yes. So let's count. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. And 7 fives are 35. Yes. So the answer will be 35 pens. Clear? Okay. Now let's solve the second one. That is a box of crayons. Yes. So how many boxes are given over here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first factor will be 6. Why 6? Because there are 6 boxes of crayons. Yes. So first factor will be 6. As we are doing multiplication, so we will put multiplication sign. Yes. Now second factor means how many are there in each box. So how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, students, count very carefully. Then only your answer will be correct. Okay, if you will miss a single crayon, then your answer will be wrong. Okay, so please count it nicely. There are 10 crayons. Yes, so the second factor will be 10. Now we have to find out the product. Now you can easily find out. Let's read the table of 6. How many times? 10 times. Yes. So let's read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. And 6 tens are 60. So it means there are 60 crayons in all of these boxes. Okay, in all these 10 boxes. Okay, I hope these two questions are clear to you all. Yes. Now see, 2 more are given over here. This you have to do yourself. Okay. Now let's come to next question, that is complete the following multiplication fact. So let's do some of these. Okay. See students, second one is totally based on tables. That's why I am saying again and again, keep learning tables. Okay. This exercise is based on tables only. Okay. So let's see the first one, 8 into 5. You have to write the product. 8 into 5 is equal to dash. So see, you can solve this only when you know the table. There is not any other option to solve this. Yes, and repeated addition will be a very long math. Yes, to solve this. So you should know the table for this. Okay, so 8 fives are. We will read the table of 8. How many times? 5 times. Okay, so 8 fives are. Let's read the table. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. And 8 fives are 40. So what we got is the answer? 40. Okay, let's do the second one. That is 6 into 2 is equal to. So as you can see, there are 2 factors. First factor and the second factor. Yes, where 6 is a first factor and 2 is a second factor. So now here we have to read the table of 6. And how many times? 2 times. Clear? So let's read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. We have to read the table of 6 2 times. 12 as a answer. Clear? Now let's come to third one. That is 9 into 5.